Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time joining, you're welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, you've seen one of my videos before, or you've just seen the previous join video and you want to watch the next one, thank you for coming back. You're very welcome. In this video, we'll be talking about right join. So in the previous video, this is the third video in the series. We've talked about inner join, left join, and now right join. Just like left join, right join gives you all the rows on the right table with the matched rows on the left. So the focus is on the right table. In this case, the left join, the focus was on the left table. Now the focus is on the right table. So you have all the rows from your right table and the rows that are matching in the left. Now let's see how that works, just with a very similar example to what we use in the left join. So you want a list of all the claims that has been made with the policies that are attached to them. How would you do that? We had a query that was left join from policy to claim. So we can still have policy as the first table and claim as the second table, but shift our focus to claims table instead of policy table. We do that with the right join. Let's see how that works. So we have our query here. We still have policy as the first table and claims as the second table, but in this case our focus is on claims. We want all the claims that has been made. We want a list of all the claims that has been made with the policies that they are attached to, or with the policies that are attached to them. So I will execute this and you see that these are the claims, the claim ID and the date that the claim was filed, with the policy that are attached to them. For example, just some few details from policy table. So you have claim ID, the date that is filed, and the policy link. So you see that this particular policy, this will not happen in a real world situation, because if there is any claim, there should be a policy attached. But I told you that we created this database just to give example of different joins. So this one is the row that is showing on claims but not on policy. You can't have any claims without policy. Again, I'm reiterating this, that this is just an example database that has been created for example's sake. It won't happen in real life. Usually you can have policy without claims yet, but you shouldn't have claims without policy yet. But for the sake of our right join, I hope you understand that when you use a right join, the focus shifts to the claim table or to the right table. It pulls all the rows. If you can remember, we had 4 rows on claims table, right? And then only the ones that are present on the policy table, which is on the left, because we are now using a right join instead of a left join. So whenever there is a row that is not matching, it returns null because it cannot find it on the other table, whether it is the right or left in the case of right or left join. I hope you understand right join. Don't worry, at the end of this explaining each join, I will do a comprehensive project-like example where we can use our different kinds of join in a more relatable business situation. I hope you will wait around to see that. So we have come to the end of right join. I will see you in the next one. Aren't you curious about what the next type of join is? Subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so that when I upload the next one, you'll be reminded and you'll be told that another video has been uploaded. If you have any question, drop it in the comments. I'll be reading and I'll be answering them. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.